So heartless. How could you be so heartless?
What's up, guys? Today I will teach you about something new in browser Safari. Now we can close the Safari tabs automatically. First of all, we'll go to settings, and in the last we'll find something named app settings. We'll go to Safari. You'll find a lot of options. Go directly to down, close tabs, so you can choose after 1 day or 1 week or 1 month, and each day or each time you are choosing the Safari tabs, it will close automatically, or you can leave it manually, so which time you want to delete it, you can do it by yourself. It's an easy step, but maybe someone